बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल आल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम जनरल नॉलेज के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो पास्ट पेपर में आते हैं वो डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। उससे पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को शेयर कीजिएगा। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम गवर्नर ऑफ लाहौर? मलिक अयाज। खाक और खून इज़ रिटन बाय नसीम हिजाजी। सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ थ्री नंबर इज़ 175 while sum of their product taken into at time is 225. The sum is 25. Eden Garden Ground is situated in which country? Kolkata, India. Novel Mahe-Tamam is written by Praveen Shakir. Length of penalty area of the football ground is 16.5 meter, 18 yard. Question number 7 है, runner-up team of FIFA World Cup 2018 is Croatia. Spark plug is used in diesel engine. No spark plug is not used in diesel engine. Synonym of the successive consecutive. Kofi Annan belong to which country? Ghana. Torah is revealed on which prophet had Musa alayhi salam. Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Pakistan appointed by whom? President of Pakistan. Select the odd number from the given list of 14, 18, 35, 65. Odd number is 65. Name of the first person who landed on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Question number 15 है, who is the second person who landed on moon? Buzz Aldrin. Synonym of catastrophe, disaster. Pasni is located in Balochistan. Humayun Nama is written by Gulbuddin Begum. Total number of countries in BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India and China. 4. What was the profession of Fatma Jana? Dental surgeon. Bile is produced by liver. Swedish rail is written by Shaukat Thanvi. Haro and Saman River. Question number 24 है, choose the correct spelt word from given option. Bureaucracy. Headquarter of Food and Agriculture Organization, Rome, Italy. Which country is not the Horn of Africa? Senegal. Horn of Africa is Venezuela and East Africa. Comprises of 4 countries: Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia and Somalia. Who was the second Mughal Emperor? Humayun. Takht-e-Bahi is located in Mardan, KPK, Pakistan. Synonym of infringe, contravene, violate. DPI stand for dot per inch. Question number 31 है, smallest addressable element in image pixel. Who was the first president of Algeria? Ahmed bin Bella. 1024 kilobyte is 1 megabyte. Who was the first president of India National Congress? Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. OSCE headquarter Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Headquarter of CERN, Geneva, Switzerland. Which country is known as land of thousand lake? Finland. Which country is known as city of canal? Venice. Quaid-e-Azam House Museum is situated in which city of Pakistan? Smallest addressable element of images. ये हो गया 39 तक हो गए. 41 Pakistan joined Baghdad Pact, also known as CENTO, in which year? 1955. Which country first implemented GST? 1954. France. Brazil is situated in which country? South America. Sukarno was the first president of which country? Indonesia. USA purchased Alaska from which country? Russia. Ryder Cup is related with which sport? Golf. First Oscar award ceremony held in which year? 16 May 1929. Waqe Zulkarnain mentioned in which surah of Holy Quran? Al-Kahf. Antonym of credulous, spectacle. Antonym of felicity, sadness, depression. Who served as the returning officer in president election? Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan Cyril Ramsden is the president of which country? South Africa. Flag of Malaysia contains 14 concern star and crescent which represents 13 state of federal government. Question number 54. From the given option, which one is not the picture editing application? PowerPoint. Name the surah which start without Bismillah. Surah Toba. All the function and perform in which part of the computer? Which is the largest cantonment of Pakistan? Kharia. The book of Hadith al-Muwatta was compiled by Imam Malik. If XYZ got 173 marks out of 300, what is the percentage of their passing? 57.6%. And he average weight of A, B and C is 45 kilogram. If the average weight of A and B will 40 kg, that B and C will be 43 kg, then the weight of B is 31 kg. 61 है Summer Olympic 2022 will be held in China, first country in the world where right of vote given to women, New Zealand 1893. Death C occurred due to deficiency of chlorine, deficiency of vitamin C caused scurvy. Name of the first Nobel Prize winner person was Frederick. Which countries belong to United Kingdom? Which is the largest peninsula in the world? Arabian Peninsula. OIC stand for Organization of Islamic Conference. Question number 69 है who was the successor of Babur? Humayun. What is the plural of pianos? Delhi Pact was signed between Pakistan and India, also known as Liaquat Nehru Pact. Largest dam of Pakistan with respect to generating capacity, Tarbela Dam. What is the favorite sport of Quaid-e-Azam? Billiard and cricket. Pilot officer Rashid Minas got the Nishane Haider in which year? 1971. Bampori is situated in which city of Pakistan? Thatta Sindh. Which country is known as birthplace of Islam? Saudi Arabia. Qazi Ji is written whom? Shaukat Thanvi. Largest man-made waterfall in situated in which country? China. Name first baby born after Hijrah Medina? Abdullah bin Az-Zubair. Who appointed judge in Pakistan? Judicial Commission of Pakistan. India. Baglar Dam is situated in which river? Chenab River. Name the actor who played the role of Quaid-e-Azam in the movie Christopher Lee. Gandanai beach in Balochistan is famous for ship breaking yard. Total length of Pakistan and China border is 595 km. Al-Azab is the name of Al-Azab is the name of Saurod Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Which country is not the part of BRICS from given countries? Belgium. तो ये थे हमारे पास 86. आई होप आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी. अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.